What's up, Two Fly fam? Welcome back to another video. If you're new and you want to be part of the family, go ahead and like, subscribe to become part of the Two Fly fam. I'm B, and let's get straight into it. See by the box, see what it says. So as y'all can see, man, a pair of Balenciagas. And also, wait, let me show my address. It's not showing. As y'all can see by the price. Hold on, I don't know what size you're seeing, but nothing fake over here. Everything legit. As y'all looking at them jeans, the price for them jeans, I got them jeans on. I'm gonna show y'all them in the how to style. But alright, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so opening this up, man, I got this little duster bag. Actually like a drawstring bag. That's okay, man. You know, it comes with the authentication, you know, cards and all that. But with this shoe, it's really not too much, man. So you open it on up. Now, I ain't gonna tell y'all I did wear these once already before I did this review. Unboxing and review. Alright, so this is the shoe. So I got a size 9, man, and my next ones I'm gonna get a size 10. A 9.5 would have been perfect, but it didn't. So as you see, there's no shoelaces on the shoe at all. Nice thick sole, very soft and comfortable. This is all made out of knit fabric. And then on this side you got the Balenciaga sign. If I get the other shoe, it's like this as well. On this side, nothing. Nice thick sole. Alright, you come down here in the front of the toe box, nothing. Other side says Balenciaga, and it's all prime knit material. It's all prime knit. So this is really like a short review, bro, because there's nothing too much about the shoe to say for real. This how the bottom of the shoe look if y'all want to see that. They do say Balenciaga right here, and like I said, it's a little dirty because I have worn it. And yeah, bro, this really all to the shoe. There's really not much to it. Price, they do run you a good $1,000, but they comfortable, bro. They real comfortable. And if you think about getting a pair, I think you should get a pair. But I will say, like, if you a half size, I will recommend that you size up. Like I say, my next pair, I'm gonna size up to a 10 because I prefer a 9.5, and this is a 9. So, but besides that, man, I feel like it was worth the purchase. It was worth it. Alright, y'all. It's alright, y'all. Right now, I'm finna go do this how to style. I'm finna go do this on feet. Finna put these on, do it on feet for y'all, and do a how to style. And that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for another videos. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all take care of yourself. And I'm gonna get over with y'all in the next video. Be smooth. Alright, coming up, as y'all can see, I got some black jeans on. Doing any black jeans with these shoes, you can really go with anything go with them. But as y'all see, I got some black jeans on. I'm with a mirror again. Alright, that's how the jeans look with it. Alright, coming up, I paired it with a black and white Amiri tee. White to go with the white and Balenciaga on the shoes. Got some accessories on. Alright, so coming up, I paired it up with this black and white Amiri tee. The white didn't go with the white and Balenciaga on the shoes. And then coming up, I got some off-white, black and white sunglasses on. Rest in peace, Virgil. Black and white. Hopefully I did black and white to go with the shoe. And that's it, man. Paired it up with some accessories, and that's really it. So this the fit under the thumbnail.
I'm gonna get that left side. Mirrors.